Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ESPN Plus on Roku step by step clearly. Start by turning on your Roku device. Ensure that your Roku is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button on your remote. Scroll down to the streaming channels option and select it. In the search bar, type ESPN and select ESPN from the results. Choose Add Channel to install the ESPN app on your Roku. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, go back to the home screen. Locate and select the ESPN app to open it. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Write down this activation code for the next steps. Now, using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser. Go to the ESPN activation website at es.pn/activate. Enter your activation code in the provided field. Select your TV provider from the list. Log in using your TV provider credentials as prompted. Once you have successfully logged in, go back to your Roku. The ESPN app should now automatically refresh. You will gain access to ESPN Plus content and can start streaming. You have now activated ESPN Plus on your Roku successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.